Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your JBL GO Essential speaker with any iPhone or iPad. First of all, before the pairing, just remember to charge your speaker for like 20 minutes by using this micro USB port. It's right here, and also disconnect the speaker from other previously connected devices. Next, power on your speaker by using this power button. So you can click on it once and then this indicator will turn on. And next, click once on this Bluetooth button to activate the pairing mode. It is blinking quickly. So right now it's in the pairing mode. We have to go for the settings, go to the Bluetooth on our iOS device, and then you have to find the JBL GO Essential speaker. Click on it once. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.